childcare centre. The children, all aged 3, were playing when a car ploughed into them shortly before 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. The 81-year-old driver was treated at the scene. Paramedic Paul James says the 2 boys and 2 girls had a lucky escape.
What appears to have occurred, for whatever reason, a car has travelled across from a car park adjacent, mounted the medium strip and gone through the wall of the childcare centre.
Strong winds have hampered the recovery effort in Christchurch, stirring up dust debris, including corrugated iron. The confirmed death toll has risen to 160. Superintendent Dave Cliff says families of those still missing have been able to tour the devastated area in buses yesterday afternoon.